English speaking practice. First sentence. बस को अटकाओ. Stop the bus. Stop the bus. बस रु तलकू ओह्लाओ. Get down the bus. Get down the bus. बस रे चढ़. Get in the bus. Get in the bus. बाइक रे बस. Sit on the bike. Sit on the bike. ଚାଲ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଯିବା. Let's go to ramble. Let's go to ramble. ଟିକେ ସମୟରେ ମୋତେ ଭେଟ. See me in a while. See me in a while. ସେ ପତଳା. She is skinny. ପୁରୁଷ ଥିଲେ he is skinny. ସେ ମୋଟା. He is fat. He is fat. ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆପଣ. After you. phone उठाओ. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. helmet ପିନ୍ଧିନିଅ. wear the helmet or put on the helmet. ଯାତାୟାତର ନିୟମମାନ. obey the traffic rules. obey the traffic rules. ଦ୍ରୁତ ଗତିରେ ବାଇକ୍ ଚଲାନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ. don't ride bike very fast. Don't ride bike very fast. ତୁମେ ଡର ନାହିଁ. You don't be afraid. You don't be afraid. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଅଛି. I am with you. I am with you. କେଉଁଠିକି ଯିବାର ଅଛି. Where to go. Where to go. ମୋତେ ମ୍ୟୁଜିୟମ୍ ନେଇଯାଅ. Take me to the museum. Take me to the museum. କୁକୁରକୁ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦିଅ. Feed the dog. Feed the dog. କୁକୁରଟି ଭୁକୁଛି. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. ଏହାକୁ ଧର. Hold it. Hold it. ତୁମକୁ ଏହା ଦରକାର କି. Do you need it? Do you need it? ତୁମକୁ କେଉଁଟି ଦରକାର. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? ଏହା ଟିକେ ମହଙ୍ଗା. It is little expensive. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କଲ. What did you do? What did you do? ଏହା ମୋର ଭୁଲ. It's my mistake. It's my mistake. ମୁଁ ନିଜର ଭୁଲ ମାନି ନେଉଛି. I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. or my apology. My apology. କିଛି କଥା ନାହିଁ. No matter. No matter. ଏହା ବେକାର ଥିଲା. It was useless. It was useless. ଆମେ ନୂଆ ଆଣିବା. We will bring new. We will bring new. ବେଶୀ ଦେଖେଇ ହୁଅ ନାହିଁ. Don't show off too much. Don't show off too much. ଆଜି ପାଗଟା ଟିକେ ବତାସିଆ ଅଛି. It's windy weather today. It's windy weather today. କବାଟ ଖୋଲା ରଖ. Keep the door open. Keep the door open. ଥଣ୍ଡା ପବନ ବହୁଛି. Cold wind is blowing. Cold wind is blowing. କିଛି ସମୟ ବାହାରେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର. Wait outside for a while. Wait outside for a while. ସେଠି କ'ଣ ଚାଲିଛି. What is going on there? What is going on there? ଦୟାକରି ମୋତେ ଯିବାକୁ ଦିଅ. Please let me go. Please let me go. ଫେରି ଆସ. Get back. Get back. ମୁହଁ ଧୋଇ ନିଅ. Wash your face. Wash your face. କାନ୍ଦିବା ବନ୍ଦ କର. Stop crying. Stop crying. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟିବାକୁ ଯାଅ. Go to meet him. Go to meet him. ସେ ତୁମ ସହିତ କଥା ହେବେ. She will talk to you. She will talk to you. ଲାଜ କର ନାହିଁ. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. or don't feel shy. Don't feel shy. ଶ୍ରେଣୀ ଭିତରକୁ ଆସ. Get in the class. Get in the class. ସେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଛି. She is waiting. She is waiting.